Yeah, again, I think. So currency, but this is another cryptocurrency. And hopefully, wow, इस वाले में stand नहीं है, दूसरे वाले में stand था. This is meme coin or mint coin or whatever this is. इसमें वो सारी चीज़ें भी नहीं है जो पहले वाले में थी. And this is like a meme coin or M coin or whatever that is. But they are minting a very good coins. Like this, like a very good design. And just look at it. It's like a 28 gram that I can see. This is Monero digital. This is not a actual like वैसा वाला coin, but it has this like the metal, everything that it's like a minted, proper minted coin. Like, and you don't see this level of coins and things. Like it's a very thing, and it has this digital thing that वो CPU में रहता है ना processor में. And this is peer-to-peer, decentralized. This is so highly recommended. This is thick also, and this is like a about 28 gram I hoping. Yeah, 29. And it's also like this much thick, about a 3 millimeter. So yeah, link in the description. Bye bye.